We finally got our hands on the ROG Ally. A lot like the Steam Deck, but it's also not. Let's unbox this.
I'ma do it anyway. Turn the beat up, want you bad up. I'ma let my head down now. Wanna get down to my favorite sound.
So this box and the packaging that the ROG Ally comes in actually turned out really well. The box itself didn't have any problems, even though the shipping packaging did. The front of this has a nice foiling to it.
Ooh, why don't you look at that?
Now inside this nice packaging, we have 4 different items. We have the paperwork, we have a charger, we have a stand, and we have the ROG Ally itself. In addition to most of the documents and everything in this being cardboard, which makes the recycling process for this product great. So for the charger, we actually get a very nice 65-watt charger. The little pins don't move down at all, but the cable's actually really long. It's over 6 feet, like 6¼ feet for some reason. And it does come with one of those little cable ties that's already attached to the cable so you can't lose it. I have a feeling that's because you're going to be needing the charger a lot. You also get this sweet little stand, which is also kind of weird, but a very nice addition. This is just a paper stand that seems like it was put into the box. It does have a little foam piece to keep, I guess, the screen from getting scratched, which I don't think paper is going to scratch glass or whatever the screen's made out of, some sort of plastic. But it's nice that they added it. I've used it a bunch. All right, so we took a look at the charger. Now we're going to take a look at the device itself. And this little screen on the front here says to take the charger, plug it in, and then turn it on. So there's also some QR codes for something. So let's get it out of its diaper here. Not the best sound, but it does keep it nice and clean. Compared to all the other handheld gaming devices I've used on this channel, this feels pretty good. Very reminiscent of Xbox controllers as a reference for quality. Just taking a look at some of the overall device features, the analog sticks are a little loose, but they feel good. They feel like normal, large analog sticks. And the overall feel of the device, a little more square than the Steam Deck, but overall very good. We've got nice front-firing speakers, a bunch of tactile buttons, and it seems like they thought about where you'd be gripping the device and put little notches or knurling in the tops of the triggers or on the sides of the joysticks. The back, in gamer fashion, is lots and lots of empty holes for easy airflow. The back buttons are very large and stick out quite easily. When you put your hands on it, you can feel them very easily, but I don't think you're going to accidentally overpress these or press these by accident. So let's get it started up and see how the initial boot. Looks like the front 2 sticks are RGB and the back is like a foil sticker. Now this being first boot, I guarantee it's taking a lot longer than it normally would to start up. And what we're going to do right off the bat is, since this is a Windows-based handheld, we're going to update all of it because it's Windows. It's gonna need some updates. While this takes just a moment. Huh, that sounds nice. So this is just a first look at this device, and we'll be having a lot more videos on it and compared to other devices in its class coming along shortly. So make sure you're subscribed down below. But if you have to watch another video, which I know you do, take a look at the other handhelds that we've looked at on this channel, because streaming video games on a handheld computer and playing video games on a handheld computer we've done before. So take a look at either one of these videos while I keep testing the new piece of hardware. And maybe I can trade one of them for pickles. That's all I got. Bye.